Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, Rocky, my dog, is sleeping just here. I feel like you guys are getting to know him so well. He is always in the room when I film, well, mostly always, but I just wanted to point it out because he will probably start snoring, and that's what that noise is. So today we are talking about this product. So this is, if it focuses, this has the craziest, longest name for a product. So this is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Serum with tripeptide and hyaluronic acid. Now, I have been lucky enough to have quite a few of these sample size containers, which are 3 mils, that I have been trying for probably, I would say, the last month. So I thought I need to share this with you. So I actually have tried a couple of Kiehl's eye creams. I love eye creams and of course skincare in general. Now this one I feel is quite similar to the other eye cream they have, the line reducing eye cream. I feel like it feels the same, it smells the same, and to be honest, I don't notice that much of a difference. So I have no makeup on at the moment, so you can see I do have natural darkness under my eyes. Has it changed over the month of using this? I would say probably not, to be honest. Like, I feel like it's definitely reducing lines because I had a crease come up in my, like under my eye here. It was quite deep and it's gone. It was like quite a significant crease, which came because I had like an issue with my eye, and that's gone. So this is what the product looks like. It's like a creamy yellowy color, and basically this is what I do. I pat it under my eyes like this. Only have a tiny bit left. Pat it, and then I will just pat it in, and then I will start swiping it in, and I will bring it all the way up here, basically to my hairline. And I will use this at night, every night. And yeah, it has a chemically smell to it, to be honest. And when you use it, you can feel the product actually heating up on your skin. It's really interesting. When I first used the other eye cream ages ago, I was a little confused and scared as to why that was happening, but I actually do like the warmth that comes from it. So I'm gonna read you about the product. So it comes in a 50 ml container and it's $80. So I feel like personally it is quite expensive, but Kiehl's products are, I would say, more on the higher end pricing scheme of things. So it says, what is it? It's an advanced powerful strength vitamin C enriched eye serum formulated with 10% pure vitamin C, tripeptide and hyaluronic acid. Uniquely formulated for the delicate eye area, our potent serum for dark circles helps reduce the look of fine lines, crow's feet and under eye circles for a fresher, brighter look in the eye area. What is it good for? So they say clinically demonstrated to help decrease the appearance of lines, crow's feet and dark circles. It instantly refreshes the appearance of tired looking strained eyes. Its lightweight layerable formula gently warms upon application to help optimize absorption. I didn't realize, so warmth helps absorb. It's tested under dermatologist, control. Suitable also for contact lens users and targets under eye dehydration with added hyaluronic acid and glycerin. So it just says how to use after cleansing, dispense onto the fingertip, gently pat and then smooth under the eye area along your suborbital bone. Do not apply to the eyelids. As the formula blends into your skin, you might experience feeling warmth. Use vitamin C serum morning and evening. Avoid direct contact with your eyes. And then it just says it has the vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and pure vitamin C. So yeah, that is what they say. And yeah, I do honestly think it will help with lines. Like, I really can personally see a difference. I feel a difference. And I think it just makes your eyes definitely look more awake. But just in terms of darkness, as I said, I don't personally find that that's changed much. I have like freckle darkness and that hasn't changed, but I guess I don't feel like that would. But would I recommend this? I really would. Kiehl's products are something that I was not very familiar with up until maybe a year or so ago, and they actually do have some really great products that I've enjoyed using so much. So if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts, or let me know your favorite eye cream. I would love to hear from you, and I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.